Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this blueberry lemon loaf. Here is a list of ingredients, and now let's get started. Start off by lining your pan with parchment paper and set that aside. In a bowl, add in your all-purpose flour, your baking powder, and your salt. And now whisk that together and set it aside. In another bowl, add in your granulated sugar and add the zest of a lemon. Make sure just to get the lemon or the yellow part and not the white because it tastes bitter. And apparently I'm super clumsy. And don't forget to get the lemon peel from the back. And now we're just going to be pressing the lemon peel into the sugar. This helps release the oils and enhances the flavor. I do this for a few minutes or until the sugar starts to turn a light yellow. Now add in your softened butter. You should be able to gently press your finger into the butter. And we're just going to be creaming that together, making sure to scrape the sides. Now we're going to be adding our eggs one at a time, making sure to mix after each one. And again, being sure to scrape the sides. And let's add in our yogurt. This is my homemade yogurt that I'm using. I can put the link to the recipe in the description below. And we're just going to be mixing that together. And again, remembering to scrape the sides. And lastly, adding in your vanilla and mix. And now sift your dry ingredients over the wet, just so everything is evenly mixed through. You don't want little chunks of flour or baking powder in your baked goods. And now add in your blueberries and gently fold them in together, and then add that to your loaf pan. And we're just going to be baking that for about an hour and 10 minutes, but I would check at the hour mark because every oven is different. And now let's make the icing. Simple, just add your icing sugar, your lemon juice, and your heavy cream. I like using heavy cream because it gives it like a darker, creamy shade of icing instead of that clear color when you use milk or water. We're just going to be removing that from the oven onto our cooling rack. I remove it from the pan within 10 minutes. And you can just use the parchment paper to lift it out and let that cool completely before adding the glaze. And now that that's cooled, I'm going to be adding the glaze and allowing that to set before slicing. Doesn't that look delicious? And simple as that. We have a blueberry lemon loaf. And if you like this recipe, and if you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Happy Homemaker. Thanks for watching. Bye!